Hello, my name's Gail Morgan and I'm based in the UK, just north of London, and my business is called Gail Morgan Style. And so from my business name, you may have guessed that I'm an image consultant, a coach, a trainer, and my aim is to simplify the art of getting dressed. I've worked in the image industry for over 30 years, working with thousands of clients, helping them to find and to understand their own style, by reducing wardrobe overwhelm and confusion. I'm a natural teacher and I love to share my knowledge. And I want my clients to love their clothes. And the easiest way to do this is to get inside their wardrobe, which I know and understand is both a privilege and a pleasure to be allowed to do that. I've used my teaching skills and experience to develop a number of online training programs for aspiring image consultants and personal stylists, helping them to set up their own businesses wherever they are in the world. My proposed sessions for the APDO conference are based around wardrobe decluttering and organisation, which I'm sure both your delegates will find interesting for themselves, and the ways that they can then adapt that information to be able to use with their clients when they're decluttering their wardrobes. My first session is all around creating a capsule wardrobe, looking at the benefits of a simplified closet and how to get there and which items to include. And we'll also look at how to pack a suitcase, which is the ultimate capsule wardrobe. The second session is more targeted at your experienced delegates and consultants, who would really like to offer a decluttering service to their clients, but be able to do this in a professional way, to have a deeper understanding of colours and styles to include, and how I, as a personal stylist, would undergo a wardrobe decluttering or wardrobe organisation session with my clients. My presenting style is fun and open, and I welcome questions and interaction from the audience, although I do keep an eye on the time so that I ensure that we cover all the content as promised. My fun fact is that we have recently bought a caravan, and so I am implementing the capsule wardrobe every time we go away and whittling down and working out what works best for these trips away. And also hoping to raise the sartorial style in a muddy field. At the APDO conference, I'm most looking forward to working with other professionals in a similar industry. Thank you very much.